Alright, good afternoon everybody. We're coming to you from Tampa, Florida. We are going to do the Tampa Riverwalk, which, as you can see right here next to me, is the Hillsborough River. The Riverwalk follows, I'm not sure the length of it, but we're going to walk the Riverwalk and check out everything that's there. I know there's a lot of museums, there's a bunch of monuments, so we're going to go and check a bunch of this stuff out. Come along, let's go make some memories.
I don't know if it'll come.
What are you trying to do?
There is a bird right there, right at the tippy top of her head. What does it say? The story of you lately? No, right? Fairy tale books. Boy Blue. Excuse me. Dickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. I like that. Even that is really cool. The fake line or whatever. That's probably Beanstalk. Jack and the Beanstalk. Yeah, there it is. Jack and the Beanstalk right there. Oh, how cool.
This is neat.
This is really neat.
What about you? Are you subscribed to the Primetime Travelers? You thinking about it? Why don't you fly away and go tell your friends? Oh, perfect timing. Thank you. Spread the word, my friend. Spread the word. Hey guys. Hey.
Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, what a cute little area.
Oasis here.
Oh, this is so cute.
It's a shame there's not a bench right here. You just finished what? You just finished watching our latest video? Did you give it a thumbs up? Yeah? Good job. Good work. You deserve to take a dip in the water. Go on, my friend. Go on, my friend. And at least you watched. So here they got sectioned off a piece of something. What is this? If anybody knows what this is, leave it in the comments down below.
just saw people get married, and it looks like they might be on that boat, or they took that boat to the wedding site, because I can't really spot them in the boat. But the bridge is going up for them so that they can get through, which is pretty neat.
Yeah, the place back there might have been the reception.
Yeah, so they might have been delivered there from the wedding location to there.
Still pretty cool.
Very.
Don't go down there.
That's so pretty.
Turn around. I'm up here.
You want to say something? I know.
Yeah,
Just
over here.
You're totally not doing that. That's awesome.
Always.
Always. A hero is someone who understands the responsibility that comes with freedom. The hero is the individual who lets no obstacle prevent them from pursuing the values they have chosen. True heroism is remarkably sober, very undramatic, and I will never know what the rest of it says.
As you can see, the sun's starting to get a little lower. We actually are just rounding up our trip here on the Tampa Bay Riverwalk. The Riverwalk one way from one end to the other is 2.6 miles. So if you walk the whole thing, whether you start at one end or the other, or even in the middle, and you just walk both halves, it's 5.2 miles total. We were able to do it. We had a good time. So if you're in the Tampa area and you need something to do and you want to get some exercise, we saw tons of people rollerblading, skateboarding, riding bikes. So it's just a good place to come out, get some exercise. Everybody was friendly. And a lot of people are walking their dogs here too. I'm getting the cue saying, ruff, ruff.
Stop it.
I guess
Pet
that
friendly.
Pet friendly, yeah, the trail is pet friendly. I'm like, what does that mean? Ruff, ruff, ruff.
We got it.
So no, bring your dogs if you're down here too. Bring your pets. But no, we just had a really good time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button down below, please. We're trying to keep on growing. All right, leave us a comment down below. We try to respond to each and every one of you. And thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon.